Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create anime art with the help of AI tools. If you're an anime fan like me, then you'll love this video. Before we get started, I want to show you some of the anime art I've created using AI tools. As you can see, AI can help us create some amazing artwork that we couldn't have done manually. Now, let's get into the process of creating anime art with AI. The first step is generating prompts using ChatGPT. I'll quickly show you how to generate prompts in ChatGPT. First, go to the website where ChatGPT is hosted. Then simply type in a few keywords related to the type of anime character you want to create, and ChatGPT will generate a prompt for you. For those of you who don't know the full process of generating prompts in ChatGPT, don't worry. I've already created a video on this topic that you can check out in the description below. Once you have your prompt, the next step is to put it into an AI tool. If you use only Midjourney and you don't have any alternative to Midjourney, then you might face some problems generating that type of anime art. So I've already created a video on my channel and show you some free alternatives for Midjourney that can generate image very close to Midjourney. Okay, so once you have your prompt, the next step is to put it into an AI like Midjourney. So here I'm going to use Lexica.art. So here in Lexica, you can generate 100 images per month for free. But in Midjourney, you could only create 25 images for free. You're not going to get more 25 images for free. You're not going to get more 25 images in next month. And as you can see, these images are pretty good. So I'm going to click on Generate, and here I will paste my prompt. As you can see, Lexica has given me the AI-generated animations, and they really look awesome. Finally, I want to show you some other AI-generated anime art that other people have created on this site. As you can see, AI can create some amazing anime art that we couldn't have done manually. So that's how you can create anime art with the help of AI tools like ChatGPT and Lexica. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.